Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to start my Shopify store. So simply what you need to do, just you have to create a Shopify account first. Then after that, what you need to do, when you successfully created your account, now here you can see let's get started. So here select the option I'm just starting. So just click on the next. So here you can select the option like I have selected an online store. So you want to select the option according to your choice. Simply after selecting this, click on next. So you can see here the store name. So simply type your store name here, like I'm typing my store name here. And when you type the store name, you have to check if your store name is available or not. So simply type the words randomly here, like I have typed this. So simply my name is accepted. So you can select name according to your choice and next. So here, where will your business be located? So in my case, this is my country Pakistan, so I have selected this. And now click on next. So wait for a few seconds. So finally here you can see we are moving through sign up option. So here you have to create a Shopify account, so you can directly log in through your Google account. So finally you can see it's building our store, and now after that wait for a few seconds. So here you can see finally our store is successfully created in Shopify. So simply after creating your store in Shopify, what you need to do next, you have to add some products, or you can make it or customize it according to your recommendation. So in this way you can easily start your Shopify store.